This is Lucy in 2015 and this is Lucy in 2016, both drawn by me, and now I'm redrawing this picture again in 2019. I really should have recorded the sketching part of it because I really enjoyed it. I came up with this new process, so I regret not recording it, but anyway, I'm glad that I recorded the coloring part. And so I'm using Clip Studio Paint here, and I use the thin gouache brush to fill in the flat colors. It's just I like the texture that adds to it, to the picture. I went around trying to fill in the flats, and then I add a bit of shadow. I wasn't really sure how the picture was gonna look because when in the beginning, as you can see, there was a white background. I just changed it to purple because I wanted it to look more purplish, the whole picture. But what happened? That was because I couldn't make out if the colors I picked were uh, correct or good or not. When you use a background picture, background color or the overall color of the picture as a background, it gives you a better idea in that you can choose colors accordingly. So I mainly followed David Revoy's shading tutorial, which he recently released. It's a very fun tutorial and it's a very fun method to color in the values and do the shading. I really enjoyed it. I might be using it a bit more in the future. So that's what you see me doing. I just go over the shadow areas with an airbrush, and then I go again using my gouache brush. I just go ahead and shade in more strong shadows because I have a very strong light source which is coming from above. Also, I determined light source in this picture, unlike my other pictures usually. So I know that I wanted a very strong blue light coming from above, and I wanted this kind of graffiti at the background, which you can see. It's my attempt at graffiti. First time doing it, so I'm really happy. So now I go in and add a bit of lights and highlighting, and then the final thing. And at the end, I realized I forgot to shade the line art, which I wanted to try out, and I do that. And boy, I was amazed by how the picture turned out. And that's how, by coloring the line art, and then I add a little motion blur to the background because I wanted focus to be on Lucy. So that's how I end the picture. So now you know how the result looks like. 2015, 2016, and now it's 2019. So see you next video. Bye.